Fix in 5. Let's decode P0273. P0273 means the engine control module detected low voltage in the fuel eye, causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Engine misfire during acceleration, verify with, test drive, monitor live fuel trim on OBD2 scanner, rough idle, stumble on load, verify with, OBD2 live data, fuel injector pulse width at idle, increased fuel consumption, verify with, fuel economy log over 50 plus miles. Now the most likely causes. Contaminated or failed fuel injector B, injector coil resistance typically 10 to 14 ohms, out of range resistance triggers code. Wiring fault in injector B circuit, open. Or corrosion in ECM-to-injector harness. Verify continuity with multimeter. Here's how a pro pins it down. Rough idle, especially on cold starts. Noticeable engine misfire, stumbling or vibration felt via check engine light illuminated. Loss of power during acceleration. Possible fuel odor due to unburnt fuel. Increased fuel consumption. What does it cost? Roughly €40, €120 doing it yourself, or €150, €350 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace faulty fuel injector on bank 2. Clean or replace fuel injector connectors. Repair damaged wiring harness. Replace fuel pump if pressure is insufficient. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0273? Driving with P0273 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0273. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.